Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very simple, effective and really important correction called as teeth whitening or teeth color correction. The photograph that I'm using for demonstration purpose is downloaded from freepik.com. Link to this website will be provided in the video description. Let's begin with this correction. To do that, I'm going to use a layer from adjustments panel called as hue and saturation. In this one, you will notice that a new layer gets added to your layers panel along with a mask in it and a properties dialog that has hue, saturation and lightness sliders. In this tutorial, we are going to selectively correct the teeth area and we're trying to get rid of the yellow color tinge. So let's click on this little icon and click on the area that you want to selectively correct. After clicking, you will notice that the properties dialog highlighted a certain color range which we are going to work on. We want to get rid of this yellow color tinge, so we will just reduce the saturation slider to the left and you will notice that the image is already appearing corrected. But the effect that you dialed in got applied to the entire image. We'll see how to fix that in a bit. Along with this, I'm going to add a little lightness so that we add teeth brightening also. After having dialed these settings in, you can safely close this dialog. And now you know that white mask reveals and black mask conceals. So we already know that the settings that we applied are reflecting on the entire image. We don't want that. We want to restrict those settings to be visible only on the teeth area. So let's go ahead and invert this mask. How will you invert the mask? Double click it and find a button called invert. Click it and select OK. Now you will notice that the mask is inverted and is black. And also the settings that we applied are gone. Now we can selectively choose where those settings should appear. To do that, let's select brush tool. Press B on the keyboard to select the brush tool. And as we are going to paint on the black mask, we need white color selected, which in my case already is selected. Now I will just zoom into image so that I can brush better and scroll to the area that I want to work on. And now I'll simply go ahead and paint. You will notice that the setting or the corrections that we applied are being visible here and only in the area that we are painting. I've applied my settings, I've brushed well. Now I can zoom out to make this image fit to my screen by pressing Ctrl or Command 0. This is our final correction. Let me show you before and after. Here is our before and here is our after. I hope that you have liked this correction. It is really simple to do and very effective. I will keep on coming with new video tutorials for you. Till then, happy clicking and happy correcting. Bye bye.